Hi folks, welcome back to the Monkey's Uncle Dubz Club. Today I'm going to do some replacement clips on this part of the bumper underneath the headlights. It's held on by 4 lugs either side here, but over time it started to wear down and been banged around. Bit of wear and tear and come loose. So with that in mind, we've got some replacement parts which go on the van itself to hold it on and keep it secure and stop it from rattling around. In order to get access to it, we've got 4 screws which we need to take out. There's 2 in there along the bottom and 2 in the top along here. I've already removed one on the other side, so we'll just take this one out here. Down here is one of the others that I also took out earlier, so we'll get the other one out on the opposite side. All 4 screws are out. Make sure we keep hold of them somewhere safe, and then this bit is the part that we want to come off. Once that's off, if you look inside, you can see here is where we're going to put the plastic lugs. That'll fit over there and hang on to that bit. These have worn down over the years, so we'll put some fresh ones on. Again, these were off the internet, off eBay. We'll try and put the link to them below if possible, and on both sides the metal has slightly bent over the years. So I'm going to get a pair of pliers and just straighten those up on all 4 parts and get these back on. Bear in mind it's old metal, so don't go at it like a bull in a china shop. Just tease it back nice and gentle with a pair of pliers, get it straight. Same on this side, nice and gentle, otherwise you're going to be going back down to the body shop or looking for a new part. If you look, one side's flat and one side's got a different raised piece. The raised bit wants to go inside. It's like a U shape, just slides on. That one's just pushed on nice and easy. That one needs a little bit of persuasion, bit tight. So we've got the other 2 on the other side. Let's see how this looks. Does that need any straightening? You get those pliers, just tease that straight. I say over the years, all the bouncing around, you're lucky if it's not perfect and you come to take them off. Just tease that on there. Right, let's get this on now. Secure now. Holding that on, those 4 pegs. And what I need to do now is screw this back up. This bit here, like I said, where it's accidentally broke, I'm just going to put a small pilot hole through there and put a self-tapper in that side. I'll probably countersink it a little bit so it's not catching. Well, whilst we're working on an old van, let's do it old school. Proper old hand drill. This way we don't go mad with the new power tool and crack the plastic, go straight through where we don't want to. This way we can feel how far down we're going. And we can do the plastic at a nice, gentle, there we go. See, it's not over cracking the plastic because we know it's all plastic, so we don't want to go mad. A small pilot hole in there. We get a little bit, if we've suddenly gone at it like a bull in a china shop with a modern power drill and a big bit, we may well have just cracked that. So now we'll just do a slightly bigger drill bit and put a self-tapping screw through there. A slightly bigger drill bit. So the beauty of these is you're never going to run out of electricity. So that should be perfect now. Get a self-tapper in there and hold that front on. I'm going to countersink that at a later date since I can't find my countersink at the moment. So I've just put a black screw in there for now. That's held that in there, nice and secure. We've got the other 3 back in and that's all held on nice and tight now. So all that's left is to close the bonnet. Thanks for watching. Leave us some comments below.
and we'll catch you next time on the Monkey's Uncle Dubz Club.